I like this medium firmness mattress, but I wanted it to be a little softer. So I bought this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I have bought this Vibe mattress. It's memory foam and some other stuff. Feels real nice. I like it. I've been sleeping on it a while, and this medium firmness of it is probably just a little too firm for me. And actually, it's not the medium firmness that's the problem. I would like a little bit more cushion cradling at the very top, and I don't mind it getting a little more firm in the middle. So I thought, well, I can do that by just adding a mattress topper that's a little bit more soft, and then I'll get down to the firm portion here. As you can see, it's like memory foam. But if you've ever seen this demonstration on memory foam, it really kind of holds your handprint, and this is kind of springing back. So I do like that, but I would just love a little bit of that contouring type of memory foam up at the top. So I bought this. It's by Serta, a name that you know in the sleep business. The sheep. It's a cool box, man. They print that in the inside. Oh, look at that. That's pretty clever. I got to show you that. All right. But what comes in here is a 3-inch thick ThermaGel mattress topper. So this doesn't have to go on another memory foam mattress, and it's probably a little bit of a waste if it does. But what you can get is a memory foam-like experience on pretty much any mattress, and I think it will also extend the life of many mattresses, particularly if you don't want to replace the whole thing and you just kind of want to get as much mileage out of it as you possibly can. It comes wrapped in a lot of plastic, and that's probably because once you get this thing open, it's going to take on air and explode into its main size. This ThermaGel color kind of looked a little more like blue in the picture, but it's almost a little bit like a mint color. You can see the little speckles there. And I think when it inflates, it's just going to look like a piece of foam. But as you can see here, this is that memory foam type of experience that I'm more familiar with. You kind of put your hand into it, and then that impression stays there. What I think this is going to do is it's going to reduce those pressure points. So on a firm mattress, whether you're sleeping on your side and you're feeling a little pressure on your shoulder or on your hip, maybe you sleep on your stomach or your back, maybe you got a bubble butt or something like that, it might not be cradling that and sinking in that place as much as it could be. And so something like this, I think, might make it a little more comfortable. It's already expanding here pretty quickly, so I want to get this on the bed and let it fully expand. All right, it's only taken about 5 minutes to inflate here, and I think it's kind of at its maximum size already. So as you can see here on my king size mattress, it's a perfect fit. I was actually thinking, oh, it's a little short, but what I had is it oriented the wrong way. So once I got the human error fixed, I got this on here. This is a 3-inch topper. I've noticed that there are toppers in the 2-inch range and in the 4-inch range. So I thought, just meet in the middle. And really, I didn't want a ton of memory foam. I just wanted something that will absorb any of those pressure points that you have. See how much this cradles? So you get a comfortable molded feel around your pressure points. But then as you sink into it, you get this extra resistance, the firmer mattress under here kind of supporting everything else. So I like it. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind is, are your bed sheets tall enough to accommodate this? But I can just tell you right now from going on here, and lounging, man, now this feels great. Even as I'm laying on my side, my shoulder doesn't feel under pressure. It just kind of feels like you're rolling in bread dough or something. It's pretty amazing. Hey, if you want to pick up this Serta memory foam mattress topper, I think you're going to like it. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.